I'm Lexie Boatright, and I'm here playing the McNeela Phoenix Concertina today. I really am quite impressed in general with these instruments for learners. I think that it's very comfortable to play. It's light, so it's easy to move, especially it's nice and comfortable in the hands. No trouble finding the buttons. You know, the buttons are nice and kind of finger-sized, so you're not afraid if you're going to hit the button or not. I think it's quite responsive for the cost of this instrument. You know, you can get out quite a lot of ornamentation. You know, it's playing the rolls pretty well, and it's playing the triplets and the cuts and things. This concertina could very comfortably play in a session. It plays fast very well. It plays chords and octaves just fine. You can do any ornamentation you'd want to do. You can play in, you know, it's a 30-button concertina, so you can play in any key that you'd want to play in a session. It's got a good sound to it. It's not so loud that you'd feel self-conscious, but it's not so quiet that you wouldn't be able to hear yourself. You're going to get a lot out of this instrument. Very comfy to play, comfy to get good rhythms out of. I think it's, for a student, nice and responsive instrument.